Hey everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make these mini designer shopping bags. They're really easy to make and are perfect for doll photography. Let's get started. To make these mini shopping bags, you'll be needing printables. So these are the printables that I'm using, and I basically just searched up mini designer shopping bag printables on Google and printed out the ones that I liked. If you don't want to use printables, you can also just go ahead and sketch the design out on some A4 paper and cut it out. And I also got some printables from my Froggy Stuff. She has this website and you can just go ahead and print it out. So I'll be linking that link in the description down below if you want to go ahead and check out her printables as well. First, start by cutting out the design. After you've cut out the printables, you're going to fold the lines on the edges, and these are the lines that you're going to be folding. Next, you're going to take a glue stick and glue the side edges you folded inside the shopping bags, like this. After that, cut out these parts of the shopping bags. And repeat it on the other side. And fold it inside. To make the handles of the bags, I'll be using this black elastic band because it's stretchy and so it coordinates with the color of the bag. I'm marking the places that I'll be gluing the elastic to, and I'll be using hot glue to stick it on. And repeat it on the other side of the bag. Now take a glue stick and glue the side edges to the little square that we cut. And repeat it on the other side. And one cute little shopping bag is made. Now let's make another one. I'm going to pick out this Bath & Body Works one. And we're basically going to repeat the same steps that we did on the first one. So starting off by folding all of the side edges. And again, we're going to cut out these little parts on the bottom. And again, glue it all together. To make this shopping bag, I'm going to be using some blue ribbon because I feel like it matches with the color a lot more. And another shopping bag made. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Here are some photos that I took with the shopping bags, and aren't they just so cute? I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!